Word Shapes. Word Shapes by Jane Belk, Moncure. Illustrated by Linda Sommers, Hohag. Shapes. Papa Bird gave Word Bird a box of squares. Red squares and blue squares. I will make something with my squares, Word Bird said. Word Bird made something square. Mama Bird gave Word Bird a box of circles. Green circles and yellow circles. I will make something with my circles, Word Bird said. Word Bird made something round. Looks like a clock. Then Papa gave Word Bird a box of triangles. Orange triangles and purple triangles. I will make something with my triangles, Word Bird said. Word Bird made a big triangle. Then Mama gave Word Bird a box of rectangles. Pink rectangles and brown rectangles. I will make something with my rectangles, Word Bird said. Here is what Word Bird made. Then Mama said, "It is time to put your shapes away." He's got to clean up just like what we do. He has to clean up. Word Bird put the squares, the circles, the triangles, the rectangles in boxes. Then he tripped. Uh-oh. Squares, circles, and rectangles fell all over the floor. "Look," said Papa, "look what you can make now. With all the shapes, you can make a train. You can also make a boat, a plane, a rocket, a tree, a little teepee, a house, a hat, a truck, and a cat. What else? What can you make with shapes? You can draw shapes. You can cut shapes. Look, you can make all kinds of things with these pictures." The end. Learn to read with Word Bird.